Priyanshu, what is your dream for India's lakes over the next 5 years?
So, my dream for all of India's lakes for the next 5 years is to rejuvenate them. My dream is that all of these lakes should be clean, non polluted. The water in these lakes should be within norms. It should be crystal clear. You should be able to see the lake bottom. People should enjoy these lakes. At the end of the day, these lakes are for fishermen, for citizens, for the ecology as well. So I want the fishermen's livelihoods to go up by 2 to 4 times. I want people to consume, the people that eat fish, to consume locally grown fish that have grown in clean water, and for the ecology and biodiversity to thrive again. So please understand that these lakes are the last and the final hotspots for ecology in urban areas. The birds, fishes, ducks have nowhere else to live in urban areas. So these lakes should support a healthy ecosystem with all birds, fishes, ducks, snakes, reptiles, everything. Once we keep these lakes clean, the groundwater will also remain clean. There will be no more mosquito breeding, no more waterborne diseases or deaths. The methane emissions that generally arise from these water bodies because of the sludge that's rotting at the bottom of these water bodies, that methane emissions should be reduced as well. And once this water is clean, people can reuse it, right? We have to move towards the Singapore model, where despite very low per capita water availability, people have managed their water resources very effectively, and lakes and water bodies have a part to play in that as well. So I imagine a future where all of our lakes are rejuvenated, people boat in this, swim in this, restored ecology, and everybody, every citizen, ecology, everything kind of gets benefited from that. That's my vision for India's lake for the coming 5 years.